T2182 Jeep Gladiator ARC Series Canopy Installation Guide. First, assemble the side main body and the main body. Fix the connection points with screws and square washers. Use nuts and square washers on the back. 5 pieces on each side. Next, install the rear main body. Align the position. Fix with the same screw assembly as the front part. Note that tighten after aligning all positions. The labeled position faces the front of the vehicle. Put waterproof rubber pads on the bolts and insert them into the front and rear holes at the top. Put waterproof rubber pads on the bolts. Insert into the rail and then put on rubber pads. Insert both sides of the rail into the holes. All bolts at the canopy. Secured with square spacers and bolts. Clean the upper edge of the trunk. Paste buffer pads. Apply silicone sealant to the gaps. Continue cleaning both sides of the upper edge. Apply adhesive here. Stick the rubber strip around the upper edge of the trunk. Unscrew all screws of the original vehicle chute. Remove the original vehicle chute. Install the canopy bracket. Reinstall the original vehicle chute. Fix with original vehicle screws. Install the canopy on the vehicle. Align with the screw holes. Pay attention to flushness here. Insert washers into the connection gaps. Fix with screws, nuts, and upper-lower washers. It is secured here with screws, nuts, and upper-lower washers. Use connection brackets for installation at the corners. Cut off excess rubber strips. Install hydraulic brackets with nuts and washers. Install handles on both sides. Install tailgate rubber pads. Adjust the position and tighten the screws. Then install the tailgate handle. For the brake light, remove the taillight wiring. Route the wire here. Reinstall the taillight after connection. The light should be connected inside the tailgate side light. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing T2182.